I present to you today a €2 coin dedicated to the sculptor Auguste Rodin. Auguste Rodin, born in Paris on the 12th of November 1840 and died in Meudon on the 17th November 1917, is one of the most important French sculptors of the second half of the 19th century. Heir to the centuries of humanism, the realist art of Rodin is an achievement of romanticism and impressionism. The virility of the artist, nicknamed in his time the Sacred Goat, caused dramas and is at the center of an expression of sensuality, eroticism, but also pain. He was the companion for a part of his life of the sculptor Camille Claudel. Rodin leaves an outstanding work that consists of approximately 7,000 sculptures, 10,000 drawings, 1,000 engravings, and 10,000 photographs. The coin is bimetallic, nickel and nickel brass in the center, and copper nickel for the ring. A weight of 8.5 grams and a diameter of 25.75 millimeters, and a thickness of 2.2 millimeters. This commemorative coin is circulating and can easily be found in shops and in your pockets. The reverse represents Auguste Rodin and the finger, the artist's best known work. The current mint run of this coin is 9,980,000 copies, to which are added 10,000 in universal gloss and 10,000 in proof. The value of the current coin is €3.5 in coin flower quality. The copies in BU are worth €11 and in BE €21. The cleaner and shiny the original currency, the more value it will have.